Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this cat cowboy neon LED sign that this brand sent to me for this video. I'm gonna turn it on now, but I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see this better. It comes with a controller right here that it's on a really really long cable, I have to say. So you can put this one on the wall, boom, if you want, or you can actually put it anywhere, just like hanging out on the wall, on your desk or something like that. But it comes with almost everything you need, I want to say. Like, for example, it comes with this adhesive pads with kind of like a really nice clip that you can put on this one. It also comes with the screws, and it also comes with a chain that you can hang on the pre-drilled holes right here on the acrylic. Let's turn off the lights now. Well, that's much better. You can see better now. Take a look at this cowboy hat or cowboy cat. I think it is really cool. Just for like a gaming studio, or if you have cats, this could kind of like resonate with you and your audience. Maybe if you're live streaming, it's kind of like really cool. I like it. I do like the colors. You can dim the light if you want a little bit with this control over here, but I do like to have it in max brightness. Easy to use, easy to hang out, but also really cool.